wanted to show you what I've been dealing with is right off the oil pan. It's just a little bit of oil there, and let's see, like little things here. And at first, I was like, man, is this, my main seal, or there's an area where this pan goes to the engine where you have to use a sealant. The silicone gasket is not the only thing that seals it. You have to put some sealant in there, and I was really specific about making sure that was perfect. And so when I was seeing these oil leaks, I was like really disappointed that this might be a major one. But I started feeling inside this hole, and there's no oil inside of there. Flex plate is dry. So let me show you the other side. So I started looking here, and you can see that there's one drop right there waiting to fall. But then I noticed that my starter has oil on it, and a little bit right there too. And I'm like, this doesn't make sense. So I'm looking at the flex plate, totally dry. I'm checking my oil filter, I'm checking different things, nothing's really adding up. But I was telling you the other day that I have a little leak up here, and I'm like, that's so weird, it's dry. Well, it's not weird, it rolled down, so you can see a little bit of oil there. And then if I look down here, right where the black is, you can see a little shiny where the silver meets the black. And then I started looking, and hey, what's right under that? My starter. So I think all the oil on the bottom of this engine is coming from right here. And it makes sense because the most oil underneath is on the starter, and this is right above the starter. And that oil was there originally when I get done with the drive, and then it just would disappear. So I'm really psyched about this because I'm going to take this off today, fix this up. But I think that, I got the differential fixed, I got the transmission fixed, and now I get this, and I think I'm done. Like, I think everything is sealed up and good to go. So I'm really psyched about that. And wow, way better than what it could have been. So and this is looking great. Everything just looks really nice, all in black. And my trans pan is just looking really nice. Brand new, nice silicone gasket. So I had some people over last night, and they came by to check out the car, and just really psyched. One of my friends has a C6 Corvette, so he's kind of familiar with what this would be like, and yeah, he was pretty jazzed about this thing. So I figured, hey, since this thing's up, let me just clean it all up. And there's a little bit of wind oil splatter, if you will, across the bottom of the car, so I'm going to clean that up and get it all nice and pretty. And I think we're good with this, so let me hop on that. So I got everything finished. I was thinking that while it's up, I would change my engine, my brake-in engine oil over to regular engine oil. But maybe what I'll do is I'll wait off a little bit and make sure there's still no leaks. That way I'm not dumping oil multiple times, stuff like that. So we'll let this sit for a while, let it cure up, because I got a little bit of sealant in there, and then probably get it back on the road for a few days. It's probably looking now more like the end of August when we're going to get this in the paint booth. But is what it is. Greg's schedule's pretty crazy. So more drive time for me. So I'm just really happy I'm getting all these things kind of taken care of, and looking forward to getting this thing on the road at some point. Hopefully by the end of the year this thing will be finished.